manufacturing at ATAS International.
My name is Dick Buss. I'm president of ATAS International. We are a manufacturer of metal roofing and metal siding. I've been working here all my life. My parents started the business in 1963 in Rochester, New York, in the basement of their home, and now working with my wife and my brother and my sons and niece and nephew, we've grown into a business that has 7 factories and 180 employees.
Here we enter the second floor of ATAS International to give you an overview of the IT department and marketing department.
Hi, my name is Chris Grover. I'm the IT manager for ATAS International. My impact on the company is listening to what people's processes are, coming up with solutions to work with those processes.
This is the main overview of the ATAS International manufacturing floor. This machine cuts and makes the metals into the shapes that is needed. It is programmed by a computer to automatically cut the metal.
Hello, my name is John Paspachel. I manage the marketing department here at ATAS International. Biggest impact on the company would probably be 2 things: retaining our existing customers that already know about us, and then exposing our brand and our products to customers that have never heard of us yet.
Thank you so much for watching our What's So Cool About Manufacturing video by Sacred Heart School. We hope you enjoyed.